Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to check the version of Excel. This is actually quite simple. I simply open Microsoft Word, click on the File tab and go to Account. Here under About Excel I can already find some information such as version 2405 and this build number. But I can also click on the About Excel button and find all the information about my license at the top, such as Microsoft 365, version 2405, this build, and the 64-bit version. And that gives you all the information you need to contact support if you have any problems, for example. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.